Alright guys, so what you're gonna be watching right now on screen is just gonna be me playing like a little bitch. This is just a regular pubs match. I was just going in just trying to see if I can get into late game so I can practice my late game stuff. And I eventually do win it, but I won it in the most pussy shit like manner. But anyways, that's not what I'm talking about. Today, I'm gonna be talking about fucking Chime. So, Chime isn't a person and we're not fucking it. But Chime is they're basically like an online or virtual bank. I wouldn't say virtual because they do have physical locations, I think. But the reason that I want to talk about them today is because I feel like they're possibly the shittiest bank that I could ever think about. And let me just kind of put it in perspective like this. Like right now I'm going to show you guys what the home screen looks like when you first open up the app. And on the bottom right, it says apply now, and on the bottom left, it says log in, as if they could, and they're using the term apply now to make it seem more like an official bank instead of something like Venmo or some shit. And to be honest, this is basically just another Venmo. I don't see, the only difference is that I believe that there's some locations that you can go to that you can actually cash out at. But, it's basically just a financial intermediary. It's really just like any other bank, but you know, because it's on an iPhone, or because there's an app on the phone for it that looks really cute. It's super smart and all that bullshit or whatever. I don't know. But anyways, like you go through the steps and all that shit, and so I recently turned. Sorry, I was about to burp. I recently turned 18, and so. Because I was 18, I wanted to open up a Chime account just so I could do some shit with it, right? But, like, upon opening it, I get this message that says, "We are sorry." And then it reads, "Unfortunately, based on the information provided, we were unable to open a Chime account or a Chime deposit account for you at this time. Due to security reasons, our member services team is unable to provide you with any further information." So basically what they're saying to me is they're saying, all right, so something's not working, something's not right, and due to security reasons, that's just a way to make stuff up or pad for like an excuse, right? And so they're saying like due to security reasons or due to no reason at all, our member services team, and this is probably like a really fancy like fancy quote unquote term that they made up that's just supposed to say customer support, but they don't want to say it like that because you know they're an app, they're a bank on a phone app, so they have to be super smart or whatever the fuck. And so like they're unable to provide you with any further information. Like, come on, what kind of fake shit is that? That seriously sounds like some super made up bullshit for no reason. And I can't figure out like a legitimate reason as to why they would deny me to I don't see any legitimate reason as to why they denied me creating an account. Like you know, I provide a legitimate social security. I provide my first name, my last name, where I live. I provide them my my date of birth, which verifies I'm over 18. And they're still like, all right, fuck you, man. Something's not working right here, so just go ahead and fuck yourself. And so, honestly, that's kind of what I think is happening here. But I really couldn't tell. Like, I couldn't give you a legitimate reason as to why it's not working. But here, I'm gonna actually try to apply right now. So. Let's say on this, I'm not going to show my screen, obviously, because I have to put in personal sensitive information, but let's say I'm going to put my first name, my last name, my email. It's kind of long. Fuck. Okay. And then it's like come up with a password, and then it's just like, it's like usual stuff, like whenever you sign. Oh shit! Now I'm getting a message that says I've already signed up, and now I have to log in? Bitch, what the fuck was that? Man, that's just so sus. If a company's like this fucked up, they're like, something's not right, and then later they're like, oh yeah, you already signed up. Oh my god. Yo, here. I just got a message after signing in that says, yikes, you did not successfully complete the sign up process, so you cannot log in. Try signing up again. Bitch, what the fuck? It literally just, oh my god. So, not only does it tell me, like, like whenever I try to sign up, it's like, you've already created an account, go sign in. And then I go to sign in and it's like, oh sorry, your account's not working. It's like your account's not fully signed up, go sign up. And then just a stupid cycle. So now I guess I'm gonna go sign up again. So my first name, my last name, my email. Fuck, I can't spell my name. Fuck, I can't spell my email. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you've already signed up. Please log in. What is this? And this is on my phone too. So I'm hoping that they have an app, or not an app, an official website or some shit. Cause could you imagine how jank it'd be if they were just like, oh yeah, we're an iPhone app, and they have no fucking website? Oh, that was really cringy. I missed that fucking shot. Man, I should not. Okay. I really should not have taken that much damage. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. That was kind of a little fucked up on my part that I took so much damage. But what was going on was that I was actually I was putting on, or I'm trying this new meta. That's not really a meta. It's just like a layout. If you look at my inventory, I normally keep a submachine gun in the first slot, and I keep my assault rifle in the third slot. And where I have that V, or my fourth slot, where I have the plunger, that's supposed to be my my RPG, and then I'm not supposed to carry a plunger at all. But just I wanted to carry some sort of mobility and try it out for this game, because maybe, you know, maybe subs are trash. But I learned after this game, after that gunfight, that was a not smart idea to do. Okay, let's get back to my Chime banking shit or whatever. So I'm on their website now, and I'm gonna try to log in. Right? Look at how cute their UI is. It's actually very like beautifully like made, but like they just cannot, like, I don't know, they just don't have that back end support to run a company, or at least that's how I see it. Because whenever I totally fucked this one up, but whenever you create a company and you have to have some sort of programming or computer sciencing go into it, there's two types of programming. There's front end and there's back end. So the front end is basically working with what the user sees. You know, how is it laid out? How are the buttons looking? Is it intuitive? Is it easy to understand? And then the back end works with the logic. They say, okay, when you press this button, it does this. We need to ask for this information, and what we're gonna do this with this information. So it's all the stuff that goes on behind the scenes of what the actual website looks like. And it looks like it's still not. It looks like it's just not done, because I already clicked the login, and now it's just on an endless circling loop. Like, what is this? Okay, so now it says you did not successfully complete the sign up process, so you cannot log in. Try signing up again. What? Okay, well that's pretty stupid. So I have that same issue on this. And so let's say I go to get started. Okay. You already signed up. Please log in. That's incredible. Oh yeah, I just got that notification again that says we're sorry, and it's talking about how their services team is unable to provide me with any further information. What the fuck do you mean you cannot provide me with more information? Like, how is your company so poorly designed, and how is your UI and your website so poorly designed on the back end that you guys don't understand why your code isn't working? This is basically like a perfect example of what you know, it's like they understand that, okay, we're gonna have some issues here, like this code's not, like, in case anything goes wrong, we just pop up this message and we say that we can't help them. And this will and generally people do that, and that's just a temporary thing before they get rid of that and they find out exactly what would happen if a user was signing up if there was an issue, and then they could direct them properly to, you know, like a resource or something that they can do. But here they're like, no, we fucked up. Sorry, don't contact us. Like what the fuck are you doing as a business that you're so bad at that you cannot do this? And I want to bet to you that they're gonna have like this. They're gonna have this quote unquote amazing customer support, or what was it called, member services team, and their member services team is gonna be like, yeah, thanks so much for reaching out to us, and like they're very friendly and all that stuff, and they're very people oriented. But I want to bet too that they won't be able to help you. Yeah, I'm looking on their website and it looks like there's no way to contact them. Like if you like you scroll through, all they do is it's all advertising. You know, the website looks so nice. They have like oh, we're featured here. You know, everything looks so nice. Everything looks cute and stuff. Oh shit, sorry, I dropped something. But they have no way of contacting or being contacted. That's crazy. So I'm gonna Google contact Chime. Wow. Okay. So you actually have to go to a separate link, or a separate link to actually get help. What the fuck is their email? Oh, here. Why don't I call them right now? Their phone's up. All right, this is gonna be great. I'll put it on speaker too, so you guys can hear it. I want to bet. Here. Their number's 844-244-6363.
Thank you for calling Chime. For even faster support, open the Chime app and use the chat feature to get instant answers to your questions 24/7. I was able to find your account using your phone number. If you're calling about an account associated with a different phone number, press star now.
Alright, so it's really cool that they have that phone number link thing.
Thank you.
Whoever calls.
Please listen closely to the following menu options. To learn more about Chime, including how to bank without fees and get your paycheck up to 2 days early, press 1. If you're having trouble creating a Chime account, press 2. To verify, federal regulations and bank rules determine who can open a Chime account. If you were unable to create an account with us, then unfortunately we are not able to serve you at this time. We do not have additional details on why an application was rejected and are not able to make exceptions to policy.
What?
If you were declined because an account already exists in your name, but you did not create the account, please email us at support@chime.com and our 24/7 written support team will help resolve this issue. Press star to repeat this message.
What?
Press 8 to return to the main menu.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Federal regulations and bank rules determine who can open a Chime account. If you were unable to create an account with us, then unfortunately we are not able to serve you at this time.
Bitch, what? Whoa, 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 whoa. Why am I being denied to create an account? What the fuck? Wait. Federal, I gotta Google this shit. That sounds like some real made up bullshit. Federal. So how, or requirements to open a bank account. Yeah, what the fuck? Identification. While opening an account in person, most banks require 2 forms of identification, such as a social security card, driver's license, state ID, passport, or birth certificate. Alright. So, or I apply, I'm looking through this and it doesn't, there's no reason that I should be denied an account. What the fuck is this? All right, let's make a new account with my school email. Bet. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cancerous. Your phone number is not valid or is already associated with another Chime account. All right, cool. So basically, I call their support. There's no real person working behind the fucking phone number. And third of all, they can't even identify a problem. They make up some bullshit excuse, and I'm willing to bet. Like, I'm not a fucking lawyer, but I'm willing to bet that whatever that they said about the like, we're sorry, we're unable to open a Chime account for you due to policy regulations or whatever, is total bullshit. I wouldn't 100%, but I 83% that shit. That's some made up bullshit. Like, I don't know, man. Like, how are you such a shitty company that you cannot pull this together? That's incredible. Oh my god, this is giving me cancer. That's really unfortunate. I mean, they say that they're a member of the FDIC or whatever, and I'm sure that they are, because, you know, you can't just make shit up like that. But if they are a member of the FDIC, then they have to comply with all the rules, and there's no rule that says that. No, there's no. I wouldn't even know what to say here. It's like there's no rule that that disallows them from like denying a customer for like federal reasons. Or sorry, I'm putting it in really shitty words. I don't even know why they rejected me, but they're saying that there's some reason that they have to reject me due to FDIC rules. And they don't even state what FDIC rule I break, if I even break any. And so I can't even guess, I can't even guess at what's not going okay here. Like, the thought process that I have is like, what the fuck are you guys doing? And then my second thought process, I couldn't get that airdrop by the way, but my second thought process was just thinking like, what kind, is this even a real company, or is this just like a total scam? Is this company just like bullshit? So you know what, we'll look. Is Chime banking legit? Chime is a mobile only bank. Yeah, that sounds like some intuitive shit that's trying to reach the new generation. So it's not like your traditional neighborhood branch. Oh wait, this is from NerdWallet, by the way. Chime has no monthly fees or overdraft fees, but its interest rate is low. Wow, it sounds like a fucking ad. And checks and cash can be difficult to deposit. Best if you're looking for free checkings and savings that you can set to autopilot. Oh, they're saying it's best if you're looking for free checking and savings. That's some... Man, that actually sounds like some bullshit. I don't even know what to say to Chime. I mean, they're just like, we can't open an account for you. I don't even know what to say. But anyways, this gameplay it's not wrapping up anytime soon because that fucking guy's gotta die to storm, I think. And I gotta bop this last guy. And this last guy that I played was doing some pussy shit. Oh yeah, here, I accidentally placed down a yeah, launch pad. That's kind of embarrassing. But I realized then, I was like, I could just walled everything because I was just gonna do the exact same thing I did earlier. Turret down, bop that boy. That's when I sort of realized that this dude wasn't here. Now, while I'm watching the gameplay go out with you guys, I'm actually gonna shoot Chime banking an email. I'm so impressed by how poorly run that they are. It's incredible. Like, I don't even think that they're a real company. That seems like some bullshit, honestly. Ugh. Let's see. Chime email. What is it? support@chimebank.com. Oh, I kind of shit myself. Every time someone uses that, it scares me. The fucking grappler. Oh, he got so fucking lucky he missed that. Man. Alright, how does this game end? I forgot. Oh yeah. I hate when that happens. When it's like you can't build on the ground because it's getting built underground. This last dude was playing some pussy shit, honestly. I don't know how that doesn't hit. I don't know how any of those didn't hit. Oh, I should have gone higher up. Oh yeah, this is some whack shit at the end. Anyways, I want to email you in regards to an issue I'm having. I'm gonna say help explain why I was not allowed to create an account. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I know it just went black. I'll give you guys updates on how this whole Chime banking situation goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I promise I'll say a little bit less every time. Bye.